G'day everybody, it's Steve the Truckie from Supertech Electronics, and we're going to show you how to remove your truck radio. One of the problems you may be having is the touchscreen is non-responsive in certain areas. Some of the buttons may be faulty, the volume control may be a little bit dodgy. These are all things we can repair at Supertech Electronics. Now you will need a Torx 25 screwdriver and a plastic spudger. And let's get started. We're going to pull this section off here. We're going to get our spudger in because this is just a plastic cover that sits over it. Now it does run right along the side of your dashboard. So, okay, at this stage of the game, you don't really need to unplug it. You can just move it forward like that. There we go. So we're just going to lean that forward. That'll give us access to the Torx 25 screws that are holding the radio in. Okay, so we've got all 4 screws out. Now the radio will come out. Wiring harnesses and all. First thing we're going to do is unplug the aerial, and then we're going to take this guy out here. This is our electrical connection. There we go. That comes out as a hole. That can just sit in there. And that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.